So just today, Nifty has crashed 662 points. And the VIX market indicator, which is nothing but the volatility indicator, is up by 60%. Now you might wonder, why is this happening? There is one single factor which has mainly contributed to this increase, and it is nothing but the Bank of Japan's interest rate announcement. Now let's understand what this announcement is and how it impacts the stock market. So Bank of Japan has recently increased their interest rate by 0.25%. Now you might wonder, what is the impact of this interest rate increase? Because of this interest rate, the currency prices have increased as against any international market currency. This is mainly because of unwinding of carry trade positions. Now let's understand what are these carry trade positions. Many traders were borrowing from Japanese yen at low interest rate, converted them into USD to buy stocks in the US. Now that Bank of Japan has increased the interest rate, the Japanese yen has strengthened against the USD. Who used to borrow money in Japanese yen to buy US stocks are now worried because of rising interest rate. Not only they are worried about huge interest payment, but they are also worried about rising forex losses, which may not be enough to repay the Japanese yen borrowing. And the traders are facing big losses and margin calls because they have to sell the US securities to repay the Japanese yen loan along with revised interest. Now this entire situation is going to lead to sell-off not just in the US market but also in the Indian markets, because 2,17,038 crore worth of assets are held in Japanese yen. So certainly, Indian stock market would also expect some sell-off, which might lead to a correction in the market. Now, this is not a situation where an expert would recommend you to buy on dips, because this is a very uncertain situation and we don't know how long the sell-off is going to happen. So, the most important thing is to wait for another session or two, let the market stabilize, and then look out for buying opportunities in the market, because with this sell-off, there are going to be a lot of buying opportunities for the new and retail investors. Are you planning to buy any stock? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such details.